Hello, I'm Elizabeth Ingero, and in under 2 minutes I'm going to show you how to get a picture from a moving video in Premiere Pro. Right, let's put the timer on and we shall crack on. So all you need to do is find your video that you want to create a picture from. So let's say this one, and then go use the cursor to pull the blue line to wherever you want that picture to be created. So let's say if I want the picture to be right here where he's smiling. Click it on there, then I'm going to click on this picture right here, which is export frame. Once I click on it, I can choose different things here. I can save it as whatever I want to save it as. So I'm going to save that as smile, change whatever format, JPEG, PNG, whatever you want to save it as. Press browse to say, where you want to export it to so that you can find it later, and make sure you click import into project, because if you do that, I already created it before. If you do that, then here you go, look, it brings it into here for you. And you can easily just drag it across and put it into your project. There you have it. You have created a picture out of a video. And you can use that in any different way. You can put it up above, you can add it to the end of something. Once you finish watching it, then it shows the picture. You see? You can create some motion with that picture if you want, but we'll go into that later on. So that is the simple way of being able to do that. And what we'll do is we will go across 41 seconds to spare. Yes, we like that. So that's a simple way to do it, and let's just go across now and do it in a slower pace. Here we have it. So what did I do? Let's just go back, Control Z, get rid of everything. So what I'm going to do is find somewhere else. I'm going to choose something different just so that you can see. Let's go here and choose Big Boss. Big Boss. Right, let me just change that slightly. So I want to create this and make a picture out of that. This is exactly where I want it to take the picture from. So I'm going to click on this icon right here, export frame. That's the shortcut there. Change it to whatever you want to label it as, save it as Big Boss. Choose what you want to be, what kind of file you want it to be, and you can also choose where you want it to go as well. But I won't be doing that, but just to let you know, you can do that. Cancel, and then click import to project so that you have that as an option to work with in the project as well. And there it has put Big Boss there as a new file, and I can put that right at the end there. And let's find that Big Boss, it's right there. So there you have it. You've created a picture from, let me just show you the picture from a moving. There you go, Big Boss right at the end. So it's fairly straightforward once you know how. What you want to do is what you could do. If you wanted that to stretch for a bit longer, you can change the you can just pull it out there to make that stretch as long as you want, and that should work for you as well, depending on what you want to do with the picture. So hopefully that has been useful. Let me just get back. Hopefully that's been useful, and I think it can be used for lots of different things. To be honest, if you've got a high quality video, it's great to be able to get still images from that instead of thinking, oh, I'm doing a video, oh, I need to quickly get a picture. So that's a great way to actually get pictures from your stills. If you want to do something like, I don't know, get the pictures from a video and then do voiceovers to explain those particular points or those key features in the video, then that's a way to do that as well. So you can use it for many things. Hopefully that's been useful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and yeah, let me know if you have a quicker way, or if you've been using a different method for this, and that would be great to share your knowledge. Thank you for now. I'm Elizabeth Ingero. I'll see you next time.